I represent resilience, perseverance, and unyielding determination with
Let's start with, once again, with the Philippines. So here's the question. If you know that you are not qualified for the competition due to your past actions, still enter the contest and conceal the truth from the world? Why or why not? Why?
yes, I will join because the most important thing is the presence. If I could win the Manastar International, it could be because I represent resilience, perseverance, and unyielding determination with advocacy. I embody the spirit of global citizen who in the power of unity, diversity, and empowerment. My platform is to promote love, acceptance, and positive change, transcending borders and boundaries to inspire the world, when masculinity is defined by inner strength and compassion. Winning this title will not just be my personal achievement. It's a testament to the idea of true beauty, shine brightness when you use to uplift others and make a difference to the world. Thank you.